warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, in Nelson Sierra to near Gary, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 nautical miles northeast of Aurora to near Gary, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Source. Locations and tactics include nearshore waters at the city of Chicago, Harrison Beaver, Cribs, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Cribs, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Cameron Marina and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is no